Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 23rd of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. It was quite a filled night for the US dollar. US core durable goods, unemployment claims, and crude oil all came in on or thereabouts to the forecast numbers. So, what's happening with the US dollar? Look, most analysts are a little puzzled at the moment because, from a fundamental perspective, we have rising equity markets, steady yields, positive economic data, and the prospect of a Fed rate hike in December. So, why is the US dollar falling? Well, it appears that investors are doubting any further hikes for 2018, and furthermore, FOMC meetings this morning did not help the cause as the wording that was used was a lot more ambiguous than in September, and the big question now is, will they raise rates in December at all? Consequently, US yen has dropped quite a lot overnight, and that's what the market feels at the moment. From the UK, the major news to come from the autumn report was a declining growth forecast until 2022, with a new rate, adjusted rate at just 1.5%, which compares to an average of just over 2% in the pre-cash period. So that was the major news from the UK. All right, time to move to our chart of the day. The chart that I found this morning, incidentally, it's the GBP USD on a 4-hour time frame. Now remember, we've been trading in a narrow range, and we zoomed in earlier in the week in the masterclass to a 4-hour time frame. We identified from my chart, you can see here the resistance level at the top. Markets come to this level twice previously. We are there again, and the question now is, will it finally break through, or will it rebound again? So what we're going to wait for is the next 4-hour candle, which will start in about an hour's time. So probably about 5 hours time from me recording this right now, we will have two candles completed, and it will show us if we have a price action reversal pattern or if we have a price action breaking through pattern. Whichever one we get, that's the direction that we're going to go. So that's our chart for the day, GBP USD on a 4-hour time frame. All right, let's have a look at what's happening in the session that is about to unfold for us. Well, we have very shortly, in about 45 minutes from New Zealand, we have retail sales due. At 8:30 this evening from the UK, we have the second estimate GDP numbers. And then finally, just after midnight at 12:30 from Canada, we have core sales, retail sales. Remember, these times are in my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Time. Alright guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.